Let's get serious here now. I hear this song sung in churches all the time by little kids in choirs. Leonard Cohen, 1984, Hallelujah. 150 verses. I'm not going to do, don't worry, I'm not going to do 100. I'll do 4. But if you study the lyric like I do, you'll discover that this really shouldn't be sung in church. I won't get into it though. Well, I heard there was a secret chord that David played to please the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You know your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. But man, she tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew a hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You know, baby, I've been here before. I've been in this room and I've walked these floors. I used to live alone before I knew you. But I've seen your flag on the marble arch, and love, it's not a victory march, it's cold, and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You know, maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned of love is how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. You know, it's not a cry you hear at night, it's not someone who's seen the light. It's cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You know, there was a time that you let me know what was really going on below, but now you never show that to me, do you? Well, there was a time I moved in you and the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hope I did it justice.